What foods support implantation? What are the foods you're supposed to eat to have successful implantation? Mmere ki gy'olina okuba nga olya okulaba nga at least oyongeza chances zo ez'okuba nga ofuna olubuto. In this video today, we are going to talk about the foods you need to eat to increase your chances of implantation, to increase your chances of getting pregnant. Gerald Massa, the Health Educator, is the name of the channel. I welcome you, my friend. If it's your first time on our channel, on this channel, we do create awareness about fertility and reproductive health. Remember to subscribe so that you do not miss any new videos we release every day about fertility. Niga akapesa akokusubscribinga akali wansawa aka ready obere nga tomissinga videos zetu fulumya buli kanaku nga togera ku fertility, togera ku biki byolina okukola okulaba ng'ofuna mangu olubuto. What foods you need to eat for implantation? What are the best foods for implantation? What are the foods you're supposed to eat to help you get pregnant faster? So when we are talking about the specific foods a woman needs to eat to increase her chances of getting pregnant, we need to understand the truth that getting pregnant is controlled by key hormones in the body. If a woman is to have a successful pregnancy, it means that her hormones have to be in balance. Of course, we understand that there are other factors like the tubal factor, like the uterine factor, whereby the tubes have to be open and then the uterus has to be healthy. If at all any of those is not in line, then getting pregnant may become difficult. Tugambye nti okuincreasinga chances zo ez'okubanga ofuna olubuto amangu waliwo ebintu ebirina okubeera mu order. Katugezenga ensekezo, the fallopian tubes, zirina okuba nga nzigule oba osobola okufuna olubuto mangu. Ate n'ekirala tugambye nti nabanayo erina okuba nga eri healthy, erina okuba nga terimu kirwadde kyonna kyonna, and then lastly omumwa gw'abaana gulina okuba nga guli healthy. So ebyo tuba tubitegedde tugenda kwogera ku mmere ki gy'olina okulya increasinga chances zo ez'okuba nga ofuna olubuto. The first food we are looking at is what we call omega-3 fatty acids. When we are talking about omega-3 fatty acids, these occur naturally in certain types of foods. For example, fish, more specifically the salmon, it contains high levels of omega-3 fatty acids. These are very important in decreasing inflammation, because if at all the inflammation or the inflammatory processes are very high in the body, then getting pregnant becomes actually difficult because it affects the whole system. So the first food we are looking at is what we call omega-3 fatty acids. Emmere esooka gye twogeddeko gy'osobola okulya okubanga ofuna nobanga osobola okuincreasinga chances zo ez'okufuna olubuto amangu ye omega-3 fatty acids. Tugambye nti bino bisangibwa mu byennyanja. Osobola okuba nga olya ku byennyanja nga salmon oba n'ebyennyanja byaffe bya bulijjo, katugeze ng'empuuta erimu omega-3 fatty acids. Oba tosobodde osobola omufuna ku pharmacy ekuli okumpi. If you cannot get the omega-3 or if you cannot get the salmon fish in your neighborhood, then you can actually talk to your pharmacist in your neighborhood. Still, you talk to your pharmacist, they can always supply you with omega-3 fatty acids supplements. They actually do occur as cod liver oil capsules. These are very important because apart from the fact that they do have good benefits for your heart and your whole cardiovascular system, but they do also play a role in increasing your chances of getting pregnant, and of course by helping you reduce inflammation in your body. Thereby, if you get pregnant, if implantation takes place, the embryo or the growing embryo can attach itself on the uterine wall known as the endometrium up to the 9 months, when you will be able to give birth to a healthy bouncing baby. So omega-3 fatty acids are very important. You should look at having them. Talk to your doctor about omega-3 fatty acids and they will advise you more on this. Next food you're supposed to eat is what we call zinc. You can get zinc in form of supplements, but also we do advise that you should opt for more natural nutrient-dense foods. You should get these minerals or these foods naturally. Avoid overusing medications, more specifically self prescribed medication. So you can eat foods which are rich in zinc. These foods include green leafy vegetables, and then also you can look at having avocados. They are very important because they contain zinc. Zinc increases your chances of implantation, and it also boosts the growing embryo. Next type of food you need to eat to increase your chances of getting pregnant are the nuts or the legumes, and basically we shall call them the groundnuts. These are rich in proteins, and these are very important in helping you get pregnant. Tugambye nti emmere endala gy'osobola okukozesa okubanga ofuna mangu olubuto, osobola okulya ku bintu ng'ebinyeebwa, amagi malungi nnyo. Ate type of food we are talking about is green leafy vegetables. Green leafy vegetables are very important because they do also increase your chances of getting pregnant, thereby increasing your levels of zinc. And then also we have talked about foods rich in proteins, for example the nuts and groundnuts, and of course all those other legumes which are rich in proteins. They are very important because they do increase your chances of implantation. Let me answer all your questions down below in the comments. If you have any questions in regards to fertility and how you can get pregnant faster, ask me all your questions down below in the comments. I will answer them personally. You can also connect with me on my WhatsApp, +256 701 79 78 and 76. Have yourself a fantastic and healthy day, and remember, on this channel we do create awareness about fertility and reproductive health. Subscribe so that you do not miss any new videos we release every day. May God bless us all. Bye bye.